Very good morning everyone. My today's topic is voice which is for class 7. In this video we will learn about present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense which will be converted into passive voice. Let us discuss about first topic, present continuous tense. Let us see the first example. The mason is building the wall. In this sentence, the mason is the subject, the wall is the object. The object in the active voice is changed into the subject in passive voice, and the subject in the active voice is changed into object in passive voice. Here the wall is in singular form, that is why the helping verb is has been used. After that we will use being. Remember that we always use being in present continuous tense after the helping verb. Then we use build which is the verb third form, और हमेशा being के बाद हम verb third form यूज करते हैं. Then after that we have used by and the object the mason. Next example, Javed is making a cake. Here a cake is the object and Javed is the subject. But while changing into passive voice, Javed will be changed into object in passive voice and cake will be the subject in passive voice. So here a cake means it is in singular noun. That is why the helping verb is has been used. After that being and making, verb plus verb first form plus ing will be changed into verb third form made. So the sentence is a cake is being made by Javed. मतलब जावेद के द्वारा केक बनाया जा रहा है. नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, आई एम रीडिंग अ स्टोरी. हियर द ऑब्जेक्ट इन एक्टिव वॉइस हैज़ बीन चेंज्ड इनटू subject in passive voice and I is changed into me in passive voice which is also the object. So here a story is in singular form, that is why helping verb is has been used followed by being, and read is the verb third form of the read. Let us see the last example of this topic. They are watching the movie. They is the subject and the movie is the object in the active voice, but the movie will be changed into the subject in passive voice and they will be changed into them as the object in the passive voice. Since the movie is in singular form, that is why the helping verb is has been used. Then we have used being and verb third form watched has been used, which is the third form of the verb watch. Remember students, we always use verb third form in every tense while making or converting into passive voice. If it is present continuous, past continuous, simple present or past perfect, present perfect. Let us focus on the present perfect tense, and the first example is she has paid the bill. The bill is the object and she is the subject in the active voice, but while changing into passive voice the bill will become subject and she will become object in the passive voice as her. Since the bill is in the singular form, that is why the helping verb has been used. And remember, we always use been after the helping verb has or have. Then we use verb third form. Here we have used paid as the verb third form by her. स्टूडेंट्स याद रखिएगा, इसमें प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस बनाते समय हमेशा हम हेल्पिंग वर्ब हैज और हैव के बाद बीन और वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म लगाते हैं, यानी हैज के बाद हमेशा बीन आएगा। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, आई हैव ईटन आ हमबर्गर। आ हमबर्गर इज द ऑब्जेक्ट, आई इज द सब्जेक्ट in the active voice, but in the passive voice a hamburger is the subject and I is the object as me. A hamburger is in the singular form, that is why the helping verb has been used. Then we have used been and the verb third form eaten. इसका मतलब मेरे द्वारा हमबर्गर खाया गया है। Next example, we have cycled 5 miles. We is the subject, 5 miles is the object in active voice, and in the passive voice 5 miles is the subject and us is the object. So we has been changed into us as the object, and 5 miles is representing plural form. That is why the helping verb have has been used and been cycled. Cycled is the verb third form. Let us see the fourth example. You have not sent the parcel. The parcel is the object, you is the subject in the active voice. In the passive voice the parcel has become the subject and you is the object in the passive voice. Since the parcel is in the singular form, that is why helping verb has been used and followed by not been sent, which is the verb third form. पैसिव वॉइस में देखिए, नेगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते समय हैज़ के बाद और हैव के बाद हमेशा नॉट लगाते हैं, और वी कैन से दैट वी यूज नॉट बिटवीन हैज और हैव एंड बीन. Next topic is present perfect continuous tense, and the first example is Jalali has been teaching the advanced classes for more than 6 years. Jalali is the subject and the advanced classes is the object in the active voice, but in the passive voice the advanced classes has become the subject and Jalali is the object. And here we can see the advanced classes is in the plural form, that is why the helping verb have has been used. After that we have written been as it is in the above sentence, and the only changes we have to make here, we have to add being after been. After that we have to use verb third form, which is the third form of the verb teach. इसका मतलब ये हो गया, जलाली के द्वारा एडवांस्ड क्लासेस 6 सालों से पढ़ाया जा रहा है. See the last example. Suresh has been using the computer since 10 o'clock. Suresh is the subject, the computer is the object. But in the passive voice, the computer has become the subject and Suresh has become the object. The computer is in the singular form, that is why the helping verb has been used. Then we have used been and we have added here new thing being, and after that verb third form used. So verb using will be changed into verb third form used. In any of the sentence which is in present perfect continuous tense, we always use verb third form. So the sentence becomes, the computer has been being used by Suresh since 10 o'clock. कंप्यूटर सुरेश के द्वारा 10 बजे से ही यूज किया जा रहा है. और स्टूडेंट्स याद रखिएगा, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस बनाते समय हम हमेशा बीन के बाद बीइंग लगा देते हैं और इसके बाद वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म आता है. सो इन दिस टॉपिक ओनली डिफरेंस इज वी हैव टू यूज बीइंग आफ्टर been, as we have used in present continuous tense being. I give you some homework. You have to change the following sentences from the active voice to the passive voice.